Hello students, last day we learned how to convert a decimal number into rational number. When we learned the conversion, we learned only about the conversion of terminating decimal numbers into rational numbers. Today let us learn how to convert non-terminating decimals into rational numbers. Non-terminating decimal numbers you have already learned and you have already practiced the problems. When we divide two numbers, if the decimal expansion is not ending, such a decimal expansion is called non-terminating decimal expansion. For an example, you have learned yet 10 divided by 3. 3 3s are 10. What is the remainder? 1. Put a 0. So put a point. Here also point. 3 3s are 9. Subtract 1. Put a 0 here. The same 0 here. 3 9. What do you understand? The division is not, the process is not ending. That means we will get the answer as 3.333333 like that. That means 3.3 bar we say. Because if any number is repeated, we check that number as, we will put it as 3.3 bar or 0.3 bar or 1.27 bar likewise. Now, before going into this problem, see, you know 0.3333 like that. When you write, the meaning is that the decimal expansion is not ending. 3 is repeated. That means how many decimal numbers are repeated? Only one number. So that is what is called its periodicity. Periodicity. That means periodicity is 1 here. Now if you write 0.272727 like that, how many decimal numbers are repeating? 2727. That means 2 decimal numbers. So what is its periodicity? 2. Now if you write 4.13 bar, how can you write 4.13333? In this case, how many decimal number is repeating? Only one number. Which is that number? Only 3 is repeated. So what is the periodicity? 1. So likewise, you must be able to understand before get going. Now let us solve one problem. Our problem is, write 3.3 bar in P by Q form. That means you should write 3.3 bar in the form of a rational number. So let us solve. Solution. So what we want to solve, let us take it as x. So x is equal to 3.3 bar, in the sense 3 is repeated. So let me write like this. First equation. What is the periodicity here? Periodicity just before we have discussed. What is that? The number of decimals repeated. How many decimal numbers are repeated here? We don't have much decimal numbers repeated here. Only one number is repeated. What is that number? 3. So periodicity is 1. So if the periodicity is 1, we multiply the equation 1 by 10. That means having 1 0. If periodicity is 2, we will multiply by 100. If the periodicity is 3, we will multiply by 1000. So here, as the periodicity is 1, that means as the number, as one digit is repeated, we will multiply the total equation by 10. So x is multiplied by 10, we get 10x. This also should be multiplied by 10. So if you multiply by 10, decimal place will go after one number. See, from here it will go after here, isn't it? So we will write 33.3333 like that. See, this point will go after one number if you multiply by 10. If you multiply by 100, point will go after two numbers. That means how many zeros are there, those many places the point will travel right. Now we have got first equation and second equation. Now equations 2 minus 1. Let us write second equation. What is that? 10x. Second equation, 10x is equal to 33.3333 3, 3, 3. You can write as many 3's here, okay? As it is repeated, even if you write 1, 3, there is no problem. First equation we can write x is equal to 3. This is important. 3 point. Don't write 3 here. Just point should be written straight, and next to the point you write 3. That is simple. Remaining you place 3 3's and subtract 10 minus 1 9x. This whole 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, 3 minus 3 0, point 3 minus 3 0, 3. X is equal to 30 by 9. We can divide by 3. 10 3's are 30, 3 3's are 9. You see what is the form of P by Q form of 3 by 3 bar? 10 by 3. You can note down this answer. See, whenever you note down, pause the video and note down. Okay. Next question, write 1.27 bar in P by Q form. 1.27 bar in P by Q form. So, as we know, you want to convert this, let us write x is equal to 1.27. 27 bar indicate both 2 and 7 are repeated. It is the first equation. You have learned that 2 digits are, or 2 decimal numbers are repeated, 2 and 7. So periodicity is 2. So we will multiply by number having 2 zeros. What is that? 100. So we will multiply first equation by 100. So 100x. That means here you can write equation 1 multiplied by 100. 100x is equal to, so whenever you multiply by number having 2 zeros, point will go after 2 digits. That means point will come after this 7 now. So 127.2727 like that it comes. So that second equation. Now equation 2 minus 1. Let us write second equation 100x. This is second equation, okay. 100x is equal to 127.2727. Enough. First equation x should be written just below. 1 point. So point you put like this. 1 you write just left. Otherwise what will happen? You will write 1 here, point here. So everything will be messing up, so that you won't get the correct answer. Then write 27. Let us subtract 100 minus 1. There is no number here. It does not mean that it is 0 here. It is 1. 100 minus 1, 99x is equal to 7 minus 7, 0, 0, 0, 0, point. 7 minus 1, 6, 2, 1. 126. So what is the value of x? 126 divided by this 99. You see, this can be divided by 3. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. See, you add the digits together, and if you get the sum as the multiple of 3, that number also can be divided by 3. See, whenever you add 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 6, 9, 9 is a multiple of 3, this number also can be divided by 3. Whenever you divide by 3, how much you get? 40. 4 3s are 12, 2 3s are 6. Again, let us divide by 3. 33. 4 plus 2, 6. Is 6 a multiple of 3? Yes, 6 is a multiple of 3. So we can divide 42 also by 3. How much you will get? Divide 42 by 3. 3 ones are 3. Remainder 1 in 12. 4 3s. Divided by 3, 11. So what is the final answer? 14 by 11. So P by Q form of 1.27 bar is nothing but 14 by 11. This also can be noted down. Next question, write 0.234 bar in P by Q form. Observe the question carefully. 0.234 bar. Bar is just above the numbers 3 and 4. So we can write x is equal to 0.2. Check 3, 4, only 3 and 4 are repeated. So we write 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, and we will write as the first equation. Now, what is the periodicity? 2. Why only 2 digits are repeated? 3 and 4. So we will multiply by number having 2 zeros. What is that? 100. So equation 1 multiplied by 100. So we write 100x is equal to, see, we have multiplied by 100. So this point should go after, here we have 2 zeros. So it should go after 2 numbers. After 3 0 point will come. So 23.43434 like that. 434 okay. Second equation. So equation, same method, equation 2 minus 1. Let us write second equation. 100x is equal to 23.43434 like that you can write. Second, x is equal to, right point straight to this point, then what is this? 0 only. 0, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, okay. Minus 100 minus 1, 99x. See here, 4 minus 4, 0. Don't subtract from here and go. Come from this side, right side. Normal subtraction. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 4 minus 2, 2. And put this point. 23 minus 0, 23. So x is equal to 23.2 by 99. See, actually we must write without a decimal place on the numerator. See, we have one decimal number. So let us multiply by 10. Otherwise, simple method is there. We write 232 without decimal place and by 99. How many decimal place you have, decimal number you have on the numerator? 1. So you place 1 0 here. That's it. So what did we do? Ultimately 23.2 by 99. As we have one decimal place here, we multiplied by 10. Means 1 0 to remove this point. So this 10 you have multiplied to the numerator also. So when we multiplied 23.2 multiplied by 10 as 1 0, point will go after one number, 232 divided by 990. Let us divide by 2. Whenever you divide, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, remaining 1, 12, 6 times. By 2, 4, 45. So finally we get 116 by 445 as the answer. So note it down. So today's homework, write the following in P by Q form. First one, 0.25151 bar. Second one, 0.3 bar. Third one, 1.345 bar. Next one, 0.1414. Fifth one, 1.475 bar is only for 5. Here bar is for 3, 4 and 5. Here bar is only for 5 and 1. Here only 3 is repeated. Okay. So do these problems and post in my WhatsApp number. Thank you.